Actually, first look at these high tension wires. They run right across Toronto. So the idea is that the government is going to make a road uh, which will be only accessible to walking and bicycles and maybe wheelchair access and all. And people will walk under these wires and they'll make it into a meadow. So what they're doing is they're restoring all this land with specific ecosystem and habitats. So here's a list of what they have just planted. So it's October. By next year or so, this will almost look like a bush or a meadow with all these particular um, varieties of plants. And then they're going to build a road that people will enjoy walking through. So understand this is the Meadow Way, green spaces that are being created under this, high tension wire. And look at, the sizes of the, like first one is the aster, New England aster. They'll grow up to almost 2 meters. Then there are little blue stems. Then
We have the little blue stem. Then we have the common milk weed, which will go up to around 2 meters. Then we have what is known as a switch grass, again 1.5 meters. Then you have plants like the cup plant, up to 2 meters high. Then you have these weeds or plants known as bergamot. And then we have these big blue stem, which again go up to around 2 meters high. Then something which is very interesting is the false sunflower. An endangered ecosystem and provide habitat for pollinators, birds, and wildlife. This area is being prepared to establish native wildflowers and grasses, the names that I've just showed you and just read. Proper site preparation and patience are critical for the success of the meadow. A nurse crop is planted in the first year, which we can see right now, and meadow plants will be seeded in the second year. That's what, and it's a project of the Toronto and Region Conservation Authority, and they have also given a scanner, and this is an absolute no more area. So that's the meadowway that we can see. That's